I would like to introduce a future development that aims to speed up the process of bringing analysts and developers up to speed using Diver Platform. Let's imagine the following scenario. You and your team have been working long hours to deliver reports and analysis to your executive managers. The executives appreciate the value of your data so much that they challenge you to expand your focus into a whole new area of the business. They even agree to give you a budget to hire new staff. Excited about growing your team, you start looking for new analysts. But before you hire anyone, you want to make sure you will be able to get them up to speed in a timely manner. While you have a test server ready to go, it is probably cluttered with numerous data sets, models, and C-bases that you haven't adequately documented. And you don't really have a suitable project that is easy enough to pass off to someone with zero Diver experience. What would you do in this situation? Would you spend time preparing your own training environment and materials? Would you call in Dimensional Insight to train your new staff for you? Or would you do something else? We've given this challenge considerable thought, and we've decided to provide you with another option that should make getting new analysts and developers up to speed much easier. Here's a sneak peek at Analyst Kit and Developer Kit. These are two new packages that will be available for download directly to your Windows computer. They contain all of the software needed for analysts and developers. And they also include getting started guides with tutorials and sample data designed to bring new staff up to speed quickly and easily. The Analyst Kit is aimed for individuals who need to get down and dirty with the data, performing complex data integration and manipulation without needing to worry about creating pretty dashboards that will be used by business users throughout the organization. For this type of user, Workbench and Diver are all they need. The Developer Kit, on the other hand, is aimed for individuals who need to engineer the data and create standard measures, dashboards, and dive tab environments to support a large number of users. For developers, in addition to Workbench, they also need DiveLine, ProDiver, DiveTab, DivePort, NetDiver, and the supporting web application services. For both types of users, we will be providing a Getting Started guide that covers all of the tools included in their package. And instead of having to deal with multiple installers, we will combine all of the software and supporting resources into a single install wizard that beginners can use without getting assistance. So how will this work for you? Instead of having to set up accounts, permissions, data, and projects for your new staff, you just need to send them a download link and off they go. If you want to give your new hires additional support, you can still work with Dimensional Insight to provide live and interactive training. And remember, documentation and links to DI support are built right inside of Workbench. In addition to making your onboarding efforts more efficient, we envision the analyst and developer kits enabling additional use cases, such as conducting small data experiments, enabling fully offline analytics, learning in colleges and universities, and providing trial software for customer prospects. Altogether, the benefits of these use cases are substantial. They include easier installs, fewer resources required, responsive performance regardless of network conditions, and last but not least, we hope to use the Analyst Kit to grow the DI community. By working together with educators and providing the software over the internet, we aim to expose more users to Diver Platform. And if we're successful, that will mean you will have access to more Diver-trained analysts in the job market, and the growing user base will enable Dimensional Insight to produce an even better software to meet your needs. We are still working on putting these kits together, and hope to have the Analyst Kit available before the end of 2021, and then release the Developer Kit sometime in 2022. Thank you for watching, and keep up the hard work of producing valuable data for your organizations. We look forward to growing together with you.